So I seen this post online. I thought it'd be interesting to see how my portfolio stacked up against everyone else. Of course, this first quarter of 2025 has been wild. You have the S&P 500 that fell about 10% on these tariff talks and Donald Trump going on and on. Ultimately, I think it's a lot more talking than anything else, but we'll find out tomorrow. He's been stoking up this Liberation Day for a while. Anyways, the market was actually doing pretty good here in the beginning of the year, hitting all-time highs. Right here, you can tell basically when we started talking about tariffs and everything like that, making it a more permanent thing. And from top to bottom, it's down about 10%. It's rebounded a little bit here, but year to date, the S&P 500's down about 3.5%. Nothing crazy, just tons of news driven stuff. So I thought I'd see what other people's portfolio looks like here in Canada, compare it to mine, see how I'm doing. So this person that posted this online, year to date, there's plus 1%, which is actually really good, outbeating the market here. So I have a feeling that might be better than mine, but we'll find out here. So the average S&P 500, like I said, is down 3.5%. So this one's up 8%, doing really well. This one down 15%. Ouch. Everyone's going for big swings here. Up almost 15% on this one on Berkshire Hathaway's. I don't own that one, so it won't be good for me. Pretty average stuff here, plus or minus a couple percent. This person's in 55% cash. Whoa, that's a lot of cash. I do think a lot of people are in cash right now. So if the market does turn around, it'd probably fly pretty quickly. And year to date, they're up $100. Yeah, pretty flat, everyone seems, other than the odd here and there. Whoa, we got a lot of comments. There's not a lot of detail in these ones. I should have looked into this. I really did think we were going to have a down year this year. We had two incredible years, up like 30-40% year over year the last 2 years. So if we do end up red this year, it won't be crazy. Wouldn't be anything unexpected. This person sold all their equities in January, 100%, dropped it down to 65%. This one's active with their portfolio. Whoa, this one's the biggest one I've seen so far, down 24%. Not sure what they were doing there. So there you go. I thought I'd talk about my portfolio now. Have a little look. So I'll go straight to my RRSP. I can tell you right now, I haven't touched this at all this quarter. Nothing's been added. Dividends have been just reinvested. And I looked it up. My portfolio's down 6%. And I thought those were in pretty safe stocks. They're in like banking stocks, stocks that pay dividends. The natural resource sector in that one, though, has actually done pretty good. It's been holding up my stocks. But like my REITs and real estate, banking stocks there have really just taken a hit. So maybe I'll have to reorganize that. I'm not too sure. Overall net worth of that's pretty low amount. I don't really look at it. I don't really think about it. Most of my net worth is in my tax-free savings account. This one I have been juggling around a little bit, try and rework it. I'm actually looking to try and get into more growth in this. And I already think I'm pretty heavily into growth, but I feel like I'm so much younger, got a long time horizon, that I'm really looking for growth. It's just hard to find. I did make some big moves. I did convert a lot of Canadian dollars into US dollars this quarter, so that might have hampered things, helped things. I have no idea. And it's very growth heavy portfolio. And I'm happy to say the portfolio is only down 3.75%, just under 4% there. So roughly what the S&P 500 is doing, lagging it a little bit, nothing crazy. I was actually shocked. I thought it was going to be down way more than that. I don't know if the currency conversion moving around has helped it or not. I would say half that portfolio is in USD, half the portfolio is in Canadian. I did sell a lot of my struggling Canadian stocks that I realized I don't know why I own it. One of those would have been Dream. This one I had a couple $1,000s invested, and yikes, it did this huge pop. I really liked it. I ended up buying it on this way down, and it just kept going down. Or when did I buy it? Maybe I bought it longer. Yeah, I bought it somewhere. Maybe it was this pop or this pop. I don't know. Somewhere on the way down here within somewhere in this time frame. And yeah, it just hasn't done anything, and I thought I would rework it. I should have probably just sold it on one of these pops, but oh well. Any money I don't know what to do with, I just need to put it in like XEQT or something. Just make sure it's invested, and yeah, so that's my portfolio for the first quarter of 2025. How's yours look?